remote.
I know, you got your shirt on. You look beautiful. All right, guys, so we got Caleb over here. Actually, I'm at his house, but
not me.
yeah. And there we go. And got a grill emblem here to go on, and I put the link in the description. The guy I got it from seems like a super nice guy, and should be pretty cool. So, you know, pop this cover back off, and then so we can get in there and put it on. All right, guys, there it is, the Squatch. We're either gonna name him Yeti, the Squatch, or just Harry.
Scotch tape.
What?
Yeah, like Scotch tape.
Scotch tape. Scotch tape.
Scotch tape.
Yeah. It looks pretty dang good. And
the Squatch tank.
did it with the Squatch tank. There you go. And it's got like 1-inch bolts on it with some wing nuts, and
Wing nut.
got them pretty tight. That looks pretty dang good. So I also added some other goodies. Check that out. Pretty sweet. That's right. Dad bod. Got the Nighthawk on there, Wilson Combat. A bit of AMSOIL. It's pretty sweet. Alright guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.